a great choice today with the 2018 GMC Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, power liftgate, keyless entry, remote engine start, traction control, navigation system, stability control, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, cruise control, keyless start, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, auto-dimming rear view mirror. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.